Hey guys, so making this video because of the P0606 Mazda code. This is the first CX-7 from 2010 to 2012. Basically it causes a bunch of CPU issues and like startability and drivability issues with the car. This is where the connector is. Basically it's right here. It's on the left side of the trunk. It's underneath this panel. You gotta like drop the liner a little bit, and the plastic covers, there'll be two screws. There'll be one over here and then one over here. So yeah, basically what happens is that this connector here is like on the inside over here. Sorry for the shoddy camera work, but it's underneath the trim panel here in the back and the left rear. And all this corrosion basically builds up in here. And yeah, I went to the dealer threw PCM at it, and then they eventually went back here and tried to lubricate it. Didn't really do anything because it still has drivability issues, like intermittent. So I took the harness apart and there's tons of corrosion in the connector. So what I'm doing is deleting out the connector entirely and then soldering and shrink tubing the wires direct, and that's going to be the proper fix to do this instead of just having the dealer replace the whole harness for like thousands of dollars. Yep.